Jabari Long, the real estate expert, checking in. And tonight I'm going to be talking about home improvement loans or home improvement funding, right? Some of it is not loans. Some of the money you don't have to pay back if you actually live in the home for a period of time. But there are tons and tons of resources available for individuals, especially individuals who occupy the property. It's not an investment home, they're actually living in it. Just tons and tons of programs for people like that. So let's get started. In the Metro Detroit area, you have the 0% interest loans. I say it again, 0% interest. You can borrow free money to get homes improved, and it's not equity based. So which means if you owe a high mortgage and you still need some repairs done, the bank is not looking at how much you owe in comparison to how much they loan you. This is a special program to revitalize the Detroit community, and it's 0% interest. So it's free money. You only pay back what you borrow. It can be used for things like kitchen remodels, building garages, building decks. It's very good programs, very underutilized. And so that's one of the things that is in place for Detroiters. You have the home improvement loans and lines of credit. The banks are printing money nowadays. It's so easy to get a line of credit or a home improvement loan if you have equity in that home. A lot of individuals have bought properties cheaply years ago. They still own those properties free and clear. Property values have risen, and they would like to do some upgrades and make some modifications. Now is a great time to get a home equity loan or a line of credit. If you have the elderly individuals, 62 years of age or older, they're probably on fixed incomes. They may own houses free and clear, and they need repairs, windows, roofs, furnaces, central air, things of that nature. These municipalities have what they call senior home repair programs, right? You have to apply for the money. It's sort of like a lottery. It's somewhat competitive. However, if that's the only option, then it is something that's available to individuals who own and live in their home and they're 62 years age or older. Reverse mortgages also. That's also a product that's only exclusively for seniors, 62 years of age and older. And you do need equity in the property to qualify for a reverse mortgage. Reverse mortgages historically have gotten a bad rap because people don't understand how they work. And when you're dealing with senior citizens, they're the most vulnerable of our public, right? So we want to make sure that they understand and their family understands the actual loan product before they get it. However, it is a very useful tool. And then you have community redevelopment or the home improvement department within the municipalities. That department is where they deal with the HUD funded grants. So it's a lot of money available via grants to homeowners that are looking to improve their properties. And those repairs aren't limited to one specific trade, right? If you need electrical work, you can get that done. If you need plumbing work, you can get that done. If you just want to do some decorative things, right? Your home is not in disrepair. You just want to upgrade it. You want it to look nicer. There are funds available for those types of things as well. I'm a licensed contractor, similar to an auto salesman, right? He or she has to have access to the financing to be able to get the cars off the lot. So us as licensed contractor, we know about the programs and the financing available for homeowners because we want to be able to do the repairs to the homes. So it makes sense for us to have the resources available to help homeowners get funding to get the repairs done. So a couple requirements typical of any loan. Your taxes are current, or you will bring them current with the proceeds of the loan. You have homeowners insurance. They want to make sure that the property is insured just in case there's a loss and the bank can get repaid. Some programs are occupancy specific, meaning you have to be an owner occupant to qualify for them. Some are not. And then some of the loans are forgivable if in fact you stay in the property for a period of time. So if you were speculating, like I do a lot of times, you invest, you buy, you're looking to add value, and then you want to resell that property, they will require those funds to be repaid because you're just using their money to make money. But if you are a homeowner and you plan to stay in that home for 5 years or longer, a lot of the programs do make the loans forgivable if you maintain that ownership in that property for 5 years or longer. So just wanted to share some information about how you and the family members and friends can take advantage of the funding that's available to renovate homes and deal with some of those deferred maintenance costs that sometimes are burdensome to individuals that may have limited income, limited savings. We're doing a roof for a young lady right now. The roof is $15,000. It's being funded by one of these programs. Had she not had that program in place, she probably wouldn't be able to get the roof done because that is a significant repair. So keep this in mind, keep the information in mind. If you find it useful, like it, share it. That's me for the night. Y'all have a good one.